Especially if you go down tonight. I did a weekend. No, this is the other day. This one today. You said you come get a 12er, you go back tomorrow. It's okay,
Me, Stanford had everything that I was looking for, and my brother and I had an opportunity to go there, and it worked out well. So, like, what's all this hard work for? Everything else is here.
We used to get them all. Now they go, we don't want to go to bobblehead anymore. I go, phone's ready. Steph will not play. Sean will start. JB will be inactive.
Is Steph playing tonight, Coach?
Phone's ready. Steph will not play. Sean will start. JB will be inactive, Jordan will be inactive. Quinn, from the minute he stepped into this league, he was a great shooter, but it was more like 20-foot range. And when I took the job and I was watching tape, it seemed like he was making 1,000,000 22-footers, and it was just one step back. And I had. Hi, how are you? I'm good. How are you doing? Good. Why don't we have
representation in the club, and obviously commemorating 2 championships.